Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a useful feature in the Gmail app on Android that can help you keep your conversations organized. Have you ever read a message but wanted to come back to it later? Well, marking a conversation as unread is the perfect solution. Let's get right into it with these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're in, look for the Chat tab located at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it to access your conversations. Step 3. Now, find the conversation you want to mark as unread. Simply tap and hold on that chat until you see some options pop up. Step 4. Finally, select the option that says Mark as Unread. And just like that, your conversation is marked unread, making it easy to find later. There you have it. With just a few taps, you can keep track of important messages in your Gmail app. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more helpful tips.